Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Nothing happened to rappers, something happened to rappers.
Hey, 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 hey.
Nothing happened to rappers, something happened to rappers.
You know how it is. Janjandini representer. Yeah, boy. Yeah, attention. Udinga ama listening skill kuze ungimamele kumele uye kuready to concentrate ukuze understand because I do the typical rap ekudala kwenza ujule. Ngiyarama ngeflow ngiyaphatha sticker concept I did the backings underground. Decipher to keep up the spirit manje bathi bakhipha ama hit bayasdakela baphuza spirit. Don't get me wrong, la ni vari angibadisi ngoba basaba no reiterate abaskemela ngokuba hardcore. Look you busy fooling fans, that wrong, get realistic. Stop ukuwesta ama beat amnandi. Busy unhlanhlatha siyazi ukuthi uleki concept insepenini ngoba usoft ufika nelemchechi ukesheshi iphupho namavesela school. As I said, angibadisi ngenza counseling ngiyabaluleka nginokuba i-VIP kuma events ngiba important ngiyabaluleka. I happen to rap rhythm ngepoetry ethinto sonkondlo nabantu abaningi njengeyase enkandla. In case I know I sound cocky when I'm in studio don't find me cooking. Itrap inabantu bayo abayishayayo kodwa most work bengilalela ingoma ka Rihanna wafika nengoma zakho wathi angizizwe ngwalalelo 3 ama track akho na feedback work ngitshela bukhoma no subliminals hayikhona aw rap but you call your shit rap that trash. Stretch off just strip took alle phansi from the scratch and let some tight bars on that 808 beat bass. You know how it is.
Nothing happened to rappers, something happened to rappers.